welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Now just go into the volume section and just to unmute your device volume you should swipe this dot to the right side with your device with your finger, and also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that the volume button control switcher is turned off. To use the volume buttons here to change the ringtone, not the media. And now by press your up volume button you can also unmute ringtone on your device. And also we can do this with a third way, just by press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then just manually with your finger swipe up this volume panel, and to unmute your device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.